Hello, friends out there. Good morning. Today is Saturday, 22nd October 2022, and then uh, we are continuing our project. Yes, yeah, try a project in this. So we are building a device, the lifesaver, where my daughter named it Yao, a lifesaver. This vessel you are seeing is a boat. It's a speed boat. It won't take people, but it rescues people when there's flood. This vessel can go to where bigger vessels cannot go to. It has a way of deploying water for people to drink, and then it also has a chamber where it keeps life jackets, at least about five life jackets. I can reconfigure it to take some kind of logistics to places where we cannot go in the water. It can be a canal, it can be the sea. What you see me building here is going to be fitted with a jet propulsion, jet pump, what we call a jet propulsion, to propel this device in front. And so this is the stage we've gotten to. I am molding the upper deck and the cover, and then I'll do some electrical works. I'll do some filler works, and then finally, when I'm done with this part, or the main thing, I will move to a stage called the glassing, the fiber glassing, where I will glass all step by step before I assemble everything again. And so, folks, we are beginning today's project, today's part of the project, and then you're all welcome to my workshop. So, Yao, the lifesaver.